Hey, what's up, Cherry? I heard you got an offer from XJTLU. Can you guide me through the application process? I'm also going for XJTLU.
Hi. Yeah, sure. Just got the offer 2 days ago. Give me a second. Oh yeah, before that, have you decided on the program?
I'm actually still hesitating about whether to choose computer science or data science.
I see. You can actually visit the website and check on the details. Just pick the one that suits you. Search www.xjtlu.edu.cn. Then you can change the language to English. Click Study and Undergraduate. And finally, you can choose the program. And then you say you want to choose computer science and data science.
Alright, let me go through it.
You can also check the program module and job prospect.
Okay, I have made up my mind. I'll go for data science. So what's next?
Okay, next click on the Apply Now button and then create a new account. Then you can input all of the relevant information.
Yep, done.
Alright then. By the way, have you prepared the relevant documents? Let me paste the document for you. Have you received it?
Oh, yes. Got it.
Okay, then let's go back to the application website and log in. Then just fill in all of the necessary data and submit relevant documents. And don't forget to select yes for the XJTLU entry scholarship section to be eligible for the scholarship.
Alright, but does XJTLU have any other scholarship other than the entry scholarship?
Yeah, they do have a lot. You can check on the website. But since you apply before the 1st of May, you'll automatically be granted an early bird discount, which is an 8,000 RMB deduction fee. And also, if you're curious or would like to know more details, you can actually go to Unibuddy and chat with the student ambassador, and feel free to ask any academic or non-academic questions.
Wait, really? Thankfully, I applied early. Thanks for the information, by the way. And how can I connect with the ambassadors?
Are you still on the program page?
Oh, I have the program page with me.
You'll notice a chat button on the corner right. Just click it and select Students. You can also pick staff if you want to.
It's loading, but I will definitely chat with the ambassadors and ask for their experience and suggestions for freshmen. Alright, I guess I'll start applying. Done. Do you have any idea when we can know whether we receive an offer?
It usually takes 15 working days to process the application and prepare an offer.
Oh, okay, noted. Thanks for the info, by the way. So I think I'm done. Do you want to go grab some food tonight? It's on me.
Sure, but you don't have to treat me though. It's relatively easy to apply, so not a big deal.
Come on, so dinner tonight?
Let's go. See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye!